What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. So don't take my word for these. We're gonna go ahead and let some of the people in the shop use them so that we can get more of an opinion. So we'll let my boy Luis chop up a client and see what he thinks about him.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Can I get out of the camera?
No, you good, bro.
No, let me get out.
Stand right next to me.
It's nice. It's a nice picture. Smile, really.
I'm not recording the picture, bro. I'm recording him cutting. No, don't smile, bro. Frown.
Come on, man.
Raise your eyebrows up real high.
Do a light skin face. Why you bottom lip?
I like when he's all like, oh, it's hot, or the beer, you know, it's all hot. He's like, I'm already feeling something.
That's you,
Okay, so my first impression on the Thepissedoffbarber's Goblin clippers and trimmer is I really like the color. I like the size of the clipper and the trimmer. And I like, well, first of all, on the clipper, the power is really, really good. It cuts the hair like butter. No resistance, which I liked a lot. And it's real easy to navigate in your fade. And it's a really good clipper. I'm honestly, I'm gonna get some of these. And the trimmer is the same thing. It cuts through hair like butter. It fits in your hand really well. And you can do a lot of good detail work with it. It's a good length, and the blade's really good. So yeah, I recommend these to whoever's looking for a new pair of clippers. The Thepissedoffbarber, the Goblins, they work really well. I like them, and I'm gonna get a pair for myself.
The next person to use the clippers and trimmer is gonna be my boy @FadedAsTatas on IG. He's gonna let us know what he thinks.
These clippers, they're really good. The trimmer, I like the way it cut, really smooth. These for fading, they were pretty great. Got it all.
Next in line is my boy Fofo.
Good solid clippers, quiet, runs through bulk like nothing, precise, super light, strong, 10 out of 10, for sure.
The Gobblers. I recorded everybody using them, and I got their feedback on it.
Like BARBERSHOP thing?
Yeah.
highly recommend them. They're amazing clippers. I like the way these blend. You know, they leave that real buttery blend, and these leave the liner real crispy. You know, like a 10-piece from Wingstop. They feel good in the hand. They sound good. Powerful. I like that it's a good size, you know. Feel like it fits perfect in my hand. I don't have the biggest hand, and you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, I'd rate them a strong 9.5 out of 10. I'd consider getting them for sure. You know, I'm a wall guy, but I'll buy another clipper. It's gonna be these.